It's a 2012 Chevrolet Equinox, designed to handle life's journeys and all the equipment it requires. It's well equipped with the features you need: external memory control, power heated mirrors, leather steering wheel, rear camera parking sensor, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Another reason to choose Bob Pulte Chevrolet.
What's the Pulte price? It's my promise to you that we'll not lose your business because of price. We'll do everything in our power to let nothing stand between you and the new car or truck you're looking for.